everyone, today we can discuss the Leetcode question number 41, first missing positive. Basically what they given question, they will be given an unsorted array nums. Okay, we need to find the smallest positive integer which is not present in that array. So in example 1, what they given nums equals to 1 to 0 and output is returning 3. In example 2, see they given 3, 4, minus and 1 and output is 2. In example 3, what they given 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 consist of nums array and output is written in 1. Let's we can proper understand in the whiteboard. Basically what the question means, they will be given nums array, okay. We need to find the smallest positive integer which is not present in that array. So in this example, 7, 4, 8, 9, 3. About positive number and it should be a first positive missing number. We can tell 1 is not there. So we can return 1 as answer, okay. For that reason, what I am doing, first up, I will make this array in sorted. After sorting, it will be visible like 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Now I'll check which number is missing. First number, 1 will be starts from 1, right? 1 to so on 10. 1 is positive number and it is starting from first, so we can return 1. If 1 is there in this array, I think. Okay. If 1 is there means what we can tell? We can return 2 as our answer. Okay. This is the case. Now come to this case. So in this case, they given 3, 4, minus 1 and 1 as an array. First I will make one step sorted. After sorting, it will be visible like minus 1, 1, 3, 4. This is a minus 1, right? It is a negative number. I will ignore. In this number, it is range from 1 to 4. Means it should be there 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is absent in this. Okay, I can return my answer as 2. Now we can understand this case. See 1, 2, 0. First we can make in sorted 0, 1, 2. After sorting, you can see 1, 2. It is in the range. If it is in the range means what I will do? I will do n plus 1. Here total n is here 2, right? 2 plus 1. I will be returning 3 as my answer. This is the approach. Okay. Next we can enter into the coding part. First I am using a sort function. Okay. It is not taking better optimal solution. After that code it, we can enter into the better optimal solution. First I will make my array in sorted array. So I am using sort function. Okay. I am taking one variable. I will be store num size in that n variable. I will be taking one variable answer. I will be initialized with 1. After that, I will start to iterate the for loop. Means I will traverse all the elements. I will check there my nums I and answer both are same. If both are same means I will increment my answer. After complete iterating all the for loop, which answer I get, I will be returning as answer. Let's begin dry run this example. After sorting by using sort function, it will be visible like 0, 1, 2. My n size is here 3. Starting, I will be taking one answer variable. I stored 1 in that. Okay. I'll start to iterate for loop. When I equals to 0, the condition will be see 0 is less than 3. This condition is true. So I will enter into inside the for loop. I will check now. Here nums of 0 is equals to 1. The nums of 0 is 0, right? 0 is equals to 1. This condition is false. So I will not increment my answer. Now I will be incremented to 1. Now nums of 1. Nums of 1 is 1. Okay. 1 is equals to answer is 1. This condition is true. I will increment my answer to 2. Now I will be equals to 2. The condition is 2 less than 3. This condition is true. So I will check now if condition. Even nums of 2. Nums of 2 is here 2. 2 is equals to 2. This condition is true. So my answer will be incremented to 3. Now I value will become 3. 3 will be less than 3. This condition will become false. I will come out of this for loop. Then finally I will be returning my answer. Answer is 3. I will be returning answer. You can see in the output. Okay, this is the approach. So in this time complexity is taking big of n log n. Because we are using iterating the for loop, all the elements, it is taking big of n. Where it comes to the sort function, it is taking big of n log n. So it is taking more time. We can reduce time complexity. We can choose the better optimal solution, because as question also they told, you can solve this problem in big of n time complexity. So without using sort function, we can code it now. First, I will be taking one variable n to store the num size in that n variable. After that, I will taking one for loop to traverse the array. In each iteration, I will check if the number is correct or not. If it is not correct, means what I will be doing, I will be taking one swap function. I will swap the numbers in the position corresponding to its value. That logic I will write now. In next, I'm taking another for loop to traverse the array again. In that for loop, in each iteration, what I'm doing, I will be checking the number at each index is equals to its value or not. Like nums of I is equals to I plus 1 or not. That step I will be right now. At the end of the array, if I find not found any missing positive integer means, then I will be returning n plus 1 as my answer. In this approach, what I done, I will be taking one variable n, I will be store nums of size in that n. After that, I will be taking one for loop. I will be checking the value of the it's in correct position or not. If it is correct position means I will not do any swap. If it is not in correct means I will be do swap. Okay. In next for loop, I will be checking this num size and my I plus one's value both are same. The position and the value are same. If they are same means I will not return anything. If they are not same means I will be returning. At the end, after traversing all the elements, if I not found any missing positive number means I will be returning n plus 1 as my answer. Let's we can drive on this example. 1, 2, 0. We are taking only positive numbers. 1 and 2 are in the range. Okay. Now our n size value is 2. So when my I equals to 0, 0 is less than 2. This condition is true. So we will enter into the inside for loop. Now checking while here 0. Okay. Nums of 0 is 1. 1 is greater than 0. This condition is true. Now we check this condition. Nums of I. The nums of I is means nums of 0 means 1. 1 is less than or equals to 2. This condition is also true. Now checking this one. Nums of, see here nums of 0. Nums of 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Nums of 0. Nums of 0 is not equals to nums of 0. See, nums of 0 means 1. 1 is not equals to 1. This condition becomes false. So will not swap. Now our I will be incremented to 1. The condition will become, see, nums of 1 is 2. 2 is greater than 0. This condition is true. See, 2 is less than or equals to 2. This condition also is true. Now 2 less than or equals to 2. This condition is also true. Now we're checking this one. Nums, here nums of 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 become 1. Nums of 1 is not equals to nums of 1. Means 2 will be not equals to 2. This condition is false. So we will not execute this statement. After performing this iteration of for loop, the elements are same 1, 2, no changes. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will be taking another for loop. I will traverse all the elements again. I will check the corresponding position and its value are same or not. See, when I equals to 0 means nums of 0. Nums of 0 should be not equals to 0 plus 1. The nums of 0 is 1. 1 should be not equals to 1. See, this condition is false. So I will be not written anything. Now my I will be incremented to 1. The nums of 1 is 2. 2 should be not equals to I value is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This condition also false. I will not execute this statement. Okay. After performing, see, I will traverse all the elements. I didn't get any smallest positive number. So I will be returning n plus 1. Here my n value is 2, right? 2 plus 1. I will be writing. I will get 3 as my answer. You can observe. If you can write on this example, see here n is 5. This condition is true. So we will enter into inside this for loop. Now we are checking inside the while loop. Nums of I. Here nums of I means nums of 0. Nums of 0 is 7. 7 is greater than 0. This condition is true. Now we are checking. 7e should be less than or equals to 5. This condition becomes false. So will not swap. Now our I will be incremented to 1. 1 is less than 5. This condition is true. Again we will check the while loop condition. The nums of 1 is 8. 8 is greater than 0. This condition is true. Now checking 8 should be less than or equals to 5. This condition is false. So our I will be incremented to 2. 2 less than 5. Nums of 2. Nums of 2 is 9. 9 is greater than 0. But 9 is less than or it should be equals to 5. This condition is false. So our I will be, so will not swap, and our I will be incremented to 3. Here we are checking out nums of 3. Nums of 3 is 11. 11 is greater than 0. This condition is true. And 11 should be less than or equals to 5. This condition is false. So we will not execute this statement. Our I will be incremented to 4 now. Nums of 4. Nums of 4 is 12. 12 is greater than 0. But 12 is should be less than or equals to 5. This condition is false. So this statement will not execute. Our I will be incremented to 5. Now the condition will become 5 less than 5. This condition becomes false. So we'll come out of this for loop. Okay. After performing this first for loop, our all the elements are in same position because it's already sorted. Okay. See, after performing this for loop, all elements are in same position. After performing this for loop, all elements are in same position. Okay, in second for loop we are checking, again we are traversing all the array. In that for loop we are checking condition by corresponding position and its value are same or not. If they are not same means I will be returning. Okay, so starting I will be equals to 0. 0 is less than 5. This condition is true. Now checking nums of 0. Nums of 0 means should means 7. Okay, should be not equals to I plus 1 means 0 plus 1. 7 is not equals to 1. This condition is true. So I will be returning I plus 1 as my answer. Here I is 0. 0 plus 1 means I will be returning answer as 1. Can answer. This is the dry run of this logic. Let's we can understand the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. The time complexity is taking big of n because we are iterating all the elements in the array, so it is taking the time of big of n. When it comes to the space complexity, it is also taking big of 1 because we are not using any extra space, we are using only constant amount of space. We can run the code. Yeah, this is accepted. We can submit. This is submitted solution. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please give the like.